What's up everybody, Drive Through on 5 here, making a video today on cleaning the exhaust tips on my Corvette. This is a 2007 Corvette with some nice Corsa Extreme exhaust on it, but as you can see they're kind of dirty after going a few weeks with driving it and going in the rain and stuff like that. They get pretty dirty, so I'm going to show you how I clean them. Here they are in the light. Pretty cruddy and nasty inside and out. This is what I'm gonna do real quick here. I'm just gonna spray some glass cleaner, wipe it off with this, and then use some tire shine to give it a little shine. And it's gonna look a little better than that. You know what, I'll just do this side so you see the comparison. Already a lot cleaner. Alright, now doing the other side. Same exact thing. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. This is how cheap I am using old gloves. At work, I work in healthcare, and I have to use brand new gloves 100 times a day. And here at home, I'm reusing the same gloves like 10 times. Look at this. I was painting something before. Butterfingers. Got some on my shoe. Look at that, it works on my shoe too. This was just a quick 5-minute thing to make them look a whole lot nicer. I could polish this black here if I really felt like it with something. I got chrome polish or metal polish in the garage, but literally they're gonna get dirty again, so I just did a quick 5-minute thing. The back of the C6 Corvette is pretty flat. You can just leave stuff right on it. Don't worry about sliding off. Phone, whatever I want, really. Looks a whole lot nicer cleaned up like this.